I'm going to give you a full guide on how to use Polarsteps. It's an absolutely awesome app with tons of features, and the last thing is amazing, so you better stick around till the end. Let's dive in. So Polarsteps has so many features to get through this. I'm going to go through it, basically just their best features. So what we want to do is go down over here. You'll see this is our dashboard, and here we can click on add a trip. Now you want to either plan a future trip. You can also plan a trip that you're currently traveling, or you can even add a past trip. So I want to plan a future trip, and I'm going to click on continue. And here you can sort of search for where you are going. So I want to go to Italy because I hear that Italy has a wine fountain and it's absolutely open to the public. So let's go to Italy, and you can also add additional destinations. Let's say continue. We are going to also pick a cover photo at the top, so you can go ahead and pick from your gallery, and then you can change your trip date. So right over here, you can literally just tap on the date. You can see here that we are going to leave, say, on the 28th, and we are going to come back. When are we going to come back? Let's come back on the 5th. That'll give us enough time. You can now see that it gives you 5 nights. You can also clear the dates. You can name your trip. You can add a short summary. You can even add some travel buddies over here. So you can search when you want to add from your contact list. You can invite them with a link as well. So if you're not traveling alone, that's awesome. You can also turn on your location services, and then you'll have the travel tracker. So you can just go like this, and let's go to location services, turn it on. And then we're going to go, and the travel tracker, you can turn that on. You can also create this trip, and you can choose who can actually see it. So only you or your followers or everyone. That means it'll be completely public to the Polarsteps community. Let's go ahead and create this trip. Let's give it a name, and let's say create trip. So this is quite awesome. You'll now see that you can now plan your trip. Okay, so this is awesome. Once you go in here, you can actually see all of your itinerary, which you will create yourself. So you're there for 5 nights. You can add your next destination, or you can just go in here and you can add some notes. You can add the amount of nights that you're staying. You can add an arrival date and so forth. There's a lot of information here that you can add. You can also go to, at the bottom, the track option. And here, basically, within the track option, you can actually track your trip on your actual map. On the top right hand side, there are some additional settings, so you can change the map style and some additional trip settings. Let's go back out here, and let's go back again and again. And this is your trip, your current trip. You can also add a past or a current or a future trip additional to that. You can see right at the bottom on the toolbar, just real quick, you've got some guides, so you can actually explore destinations that are near you. That's great. You can also see a roundup of activity from all of your followers or people that you're following. Here is your notification center, and then there's an explore section. So if you want to learn more about places that you can go and things that you can do, it can all happen right over here. And here are some trips by people, and here are some people that you can follow. So that is Polarsteps app in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed this video.